Here are the 5 best bike helmet light. So let's begin. Number 1. Most popular. PHZ Bicycle Helmet with Safety LED. This unit comes with a USB rechargeable LED light that protrudes slightly from the main helmet point, and this makes it very visible. The lighting unit itself is a strap of red LED around the button which operates the device as well as toggling through the flash sequences. The helmet also comes with reflective strip along the body, so extra visibility is built in. The backpack-style carry bag is a thoughtful inclusion to the pack. Storage and convenience of carrying can be overlooked, and this touch really helps out. Number 2. ABUS Hyban Urban Helmet. ABUS is a trusted manufacturer whose history in lock-making should provide security and reassurances of quality. This helmet has a very functional look with a Spartan design. It's definitely a cross-class helmet. It's designed with a simple integrated tail light, which actually looks quite discreet until you turn it on. The rear light is LED and is made from 180-degree visibility. There is some mesh underneath the front part of the vents that might help in deterring bugs which often end up in your hair. Number 3. Lumos Ultra Smart Helmet. This helmet has won design awards given by companies for home ergonomics, and ease of use always feature highly in their list of requirements. The first thing that hits you is the simplicity of the structure and the setup. This Lumos helmet provides both front and rear LED lights. This gives a wide field of visibility for more angles. A wireless controller, which you attach to the handlebars, provides a simple left or right button. The turning rear light blinks and emits a buzz. Smartphone connectivity offers a wealth of customizations. Number 4. Livall BH60SE Plus Smart Bike. This helmet is packed with so many features and is a useful ally for users' daily activity outside of riding. There are benefits if you go beyond your regular commuting routes. The Livall helmet offers a red rear light and orange indicator lights, which are all LED. The turning lights are controlled by a wireless handlebar remote. It also features a double GPS correction function to keep your ride on track. A really useful feature comes in the form of a fall detection SOS, which sends the rider's Google Map location to pre-selected emergency contacts after a 90-second cooldown. Number 5. Zacro Bike Helmet Men. The rear light is not the largest on review, but keeps the LED status at this price point and also benefits from being rechargeable by the USB cabling provided. Illumination comes by a constant, a slow and fast flash by one touch of a button. The ride time promised is up to 8 hours, so no worries about any of the modes leaving you high and dry. No compromise is contained within the design. 8 ventilation holes and a 9 cm spread on the adjustment dial could permit multiple users to wear this lid.
For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.